So this problem says the figure above represents a circle that has been dilated by a scale factor of 1/7. What is the measurement of the radius of the original circle? So what I'm going to say for a hint, and then I'm going to have you try it and see what happens. If I take a shape and I perform a dilation with a scale factor of 3, does the shape get smaller or bigger? The shape gets bigger if I have a dilation with a scale factor of 3. If I want to make the shape smaller, I would multiply by 1/3, which is the same thing by dividing, or as dividing by 3. In this case, some original that we don't see was dilated with the scale factor of 1/7. What is the measurement of the radius? Let's see, a radius for a circle, just to review. The radius is from the center all the way to the very edge. The diameter is just double that. I'm going to give you a minute to try and either guess or figure this one out. And then we'll see. I'll explain it afterwards. So, it says the figure above represents a circle that has been dilated by a scale factor of 1/7. So, this has already been dilated. Is this the pre-image or is this the image? This is the image. So the image was this. What is the radius? Let's see if we can figure that out. I'm going to count the diameter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the radius is 3.5. The pre-image, so if this was dilated by a factor of 1/7, going from the pre-image to the image, did I get smaller or bigger? It got smaller. If I start with something that's 14 units long, and I dilate it by 1/7, I'm multiplying by 1/7, which is 14 divided by 7. So it will get smaller. So I would have to get smaller to go this way. To go backwards, I would get bigger, right? To go backwards, I would have to not divide by 7. What do you think you'd have to do? Multiply by 7. So what do you get if you multiply by 7? 3.5 times 7. Oh, you guys can't see that, can you? 24.5, that's A. So the answer to number 1 is A. So, what you're taking away from this one is if you dilate something by a fraction that's smaller than 1, you're going to make something smaller. To go backwards, you just do the opposite. This was dividing by 7, so the opposite would be multiplying. It could go the other way around, and you would have to divide by stuff, but that's it for that one.